If I asked you to build a SOC 2 compliant configuration for your Macs and maybe 3 popular enterprise apps, how long would it take you? Maybe a day or 2, maybe a week? Let me show you how Kandji can do it in under 3 minutes. I'll see you at my desk. All right, I'm back at my desk. Let's go ahead and dive in. Now, I know for SOC 2 compliance on macOS, there's a couple of different components I'm going to need. The disk needs to be encrypted with File Vault. I need to have a password policy on there. Screensaver lock needs to be enabled. Firewall needs to be enabled, and an approved antivirus or EDR app needs to be installed. I'm actually going to make a new blueprint here, and I'm going to create one from one of Kandji's blueprint templates. I'm going to choose Kandji level 2. Call this SOC 2 blueprint. One of the great things about using Kandji blueprints is it's going to automatically populate and generate library items that follow best security practices. You'll notice here that it's already configured many of the SOC 2 library items that we would need for SOC 2 compliance. The only thing missing from a SOC 2 perspective is an approved EDR or antivirus app. For that, I'm going to use Kandji's EDR tool called Avert. I'll add that library item to the blueprint, hit save, and at this point, I've got a fully SOC 2 compliant configuration that I can enroll my devices into. Now, there's also a couple of enterprise apps that I want to make sure are deployed across my fleet. So I'm going to head to my library, add a new library item, and pull out some of those applications. I want to make sure that everyone's using our recommended password manager. So I'm going to use 1Password8, assign that to my blueprint, make sure it's continuously enforced on all devices. And one of the other benefits of auto apps is we can automatically patch and update these auto apps. I'm going to leave these settings as is for now, and I'll hit save. I also know that I want to deploy Google Chrome across my fleet. Again, part of Kandji's auto apps catalog. I'll assign it to our SOC 2 blueprint. And finally, Microsoft Outlook. Add and configure this. Assign it to our SOC 2 blueprint, hit save, and we're off to the races. If I come back and look at our SOC 2 blueprint, now I've got a fully configured SOC 2 compliant blueprint with 3 of the enterprise apps that I want to deploy to my fleet, all in under 3 minutes. Hope you enjoyed this one. We'll see you on the next one.